Welcome to Fluent English Practice. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Do you want to visit Thailand? Okay, then let's go together in this video. In this video, you will experience the beauty of traveling in Thailand through a slow and easy English story. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer while watching the video. Writing your answer in English is a great way to improve your English skills. So here is today's question. How does Sam feel when he arrives in Thailand? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
We are finally here. We are in Thailand.
Yes, we are. Welcome to Thailand, Sam. How do you feel?
I feel excited, but also a little nervous. This is my first time in Thailand.
That is completely normal. Everyone feels that way in a new country.
The airport is very busy. There are so many people here.
Thailand has many international airports. This is one of the busiest ones.
I can hear many different languages. It feels very lively.
People from all over the world visit Thailand. Millions of tourists come here every year.
That makes me feel more comfortable. I'm not the only foreigner here.
Not at all. Thailand is very friendly to visitors.
That's good to hear. I was worried about communication.
Don't worry. Many people here speak basic English, especially in tourist areas.
That makes me feel safer. I want to practice my English too.
You will have many chances. Let's go to the city.
Wow, Anna, look at this street.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Thailand has many colorful streets.
The buildings look different from my country.
Yes, you can see temples, modern buildings, and markets together.
I see a golden building over there.
That is a temple. Temples are very important in Thai culture.
It feels peaceful here.
Thai people respect their culture and traditions.
I like that. It feels calm and welcoming.
Let's walk more. Walking is the best way to explore Thailand.
I agree. Just walking feels like sightseeing. Is that the Grand Palace?
Yes, it is. It is one of the most famous places in Thailand.
It looks amazing. I've seen it in pictures, but this is different.
Seeing it in real life feels special.
I feel lucky to be here.
You should take some photos.
I definitely will. What kind of transport do people use here?
We have buses, trains, and tuk-tuks.
Tuk-tuks? What are those?
They are small three-wheeled vehicles, very popular in Thailand.
Can we ride one?
Of course, it's a fun experience.
This is exciting. The city looks amazing from here. I'm getting hungry.
Thailand is famous for its food.
What should I try?
You can try pad Thai, tom yum soup, or Thai curry.
That sounds delicious. Do Thai people eat spicy food?
Yes, many dishes are spicy, but you can ask for less spice.
Good to know. I want to try, but not too spicy.
Here's a small cafe. Do you want to sit and rest?
Yes, please. I'm a little tired.
Would you like Thai iced tea?
Yes, I've heard it's very popular.
It is sweet and refreshing.
This tastes amazing.
Now let's go to the beach.
The beach? That sounds perfect.
Thailand has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Wow, look at the sea. The water is so blue and clear.
The sand feels soft under my feet. Many people come here to relax and enjoy nature.
I can hear the sound of the waves. It feels very peaceful.
Do people swim here?
Yes, swimming, relaxing, and sunbathing are very popular.
I see people lying on the beach and taking photos.
Some people are also playing in the water. This place feels like a dream.
Let's sit here and relax.
I'm glad we came here.
How are you feeling now, Sam?
I feel calm and happy. All my stress is gone.
That's the magic of the beach.
The weather is warm, but not too hot.
Thailand's weather is great for beach days.
I could stay here all day.
Many people do.
People here are very polite.
Yes, Thai people are known for their kindness.
I notice people smile a lot.
Smiling is very important in Thai culture.
That makes me feel comfortable.
Also, people respect personal space.
I like that.
If you need help, just ask politely.
I will remember that. Today was amazing. We visited a market, temples, and a beach.
Yes, you experienced two important parts of Thailand.
I learned a lot about the culture and the food.
And you practiced English too.
That's true. Learning English while traveling is fun.
Tomorrow will be another exciting day.
I'm looking forward to it.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this slow and easy English story. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. How does Sam feel when he arrives in Thailand? If you know the answer, please write it in the comments section. Even one short sentence is perfectly fine. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help you improve your listening and feel confident using English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!